You've probably seen a lot of phones advertising how much RAM and ROM memory they have. I've explained RAM in another video, but what is ROM? ROM stands for read-only memory. Wait, how are you supposed to store your photos and videos if it's read-only? Well, you actually don't. It's a common misunderstanding where flash storage is mislabeled as ROM. ROM is a non-volatile memory used primarily to store data that should not be changed or rarely changed, like firmware or other types of specialized software. There are several types of ROM, each with its own characteristics and specific purpose. The standard ROM is permanently written during the manufacturing process, and the information cannot be further changed. Next came the PROM, which stands for Programmable ROM. These chips are initially produced blank and are programmed at a later stage. The erasable PROM or EEPROM integrated circuits were the first to allow data modification by erasing it with UV light and reprogramming. Then came the electrically erasable PROM or EEPROM, which introduced even greater flexibility. It simplified the process of erasing the data and rewriting it by using electrical signals instead of UV light. This made EEPROM a very widely used option today. ROM chips are widely used today in devices like computers, smartphones, and gaming consoles to store essential software like boot-up instructions. One major advantage of ROM is its cost effectiveness, as it's much cheaper to produce than other types of storage, making it perfect for devices that require non-modifiable memory. Moreover, it does not require constant power to store data, with recent studies suggesting the data retention is around 100 years, far longer than any SSD drive. Although RAM isn't as fast as an SSD, click that like button faster and make sure you're subscribed for better data retention. Thank you for watching.